Hello intellectuals, I am SK Thakur and you are watching this video in Digital Maths Academy. Today's topic is transformation of trigonometric formulae. Its definition. Its definition is transforming the sum or difference of trigonometric ratios into product, and the product into the sum or difference is called transformation of trigonometric formulae. Let's we have compound angle formulae of sin A plus B and sin A minus B. Sin A plus B equals to sin A dot cos B plus cos A dot sin B, and that of sin A minus B equals to sin A dot cos B minus cos A dot sin B. When we add them, then we see cos A dot sin B and cos A dot sin B will cancel up and down as plus and minus. Then we have here sin A plus B, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B plus sin A minus B at the left hand side, and at the right hand side we have sin A dot cos B plus sin A dot cos B as x plus x equals to 2x. So we will have here 2 sin A dot cos B. So it's a formula 2 sin A dot sin B equals to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Similarly, when we subtract them, then we will have here, we have to change the sign. So we are going to change the sign here. That will be minus, this and also be minus, this and also be plus. So when we add, then no sign changing, but when we subtract, then we have to change the sign. So when we subtract here, then sin A dot cos B plus and sin A dot cos B minus will cancel. Remaining we will have here at the left hand side sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Here at the left hand side sin A plus B minus sin A minus B, and equals to, we have cos A dot sin B plus cos A dot sin B equals to 2 cos A dot sin B. So it's also formula, right? Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B equals to 2 cos A dot sin B. Similarly, in the formulae of cos A plus B and cos A minus B, if we add them, then you can see minus sin A dot sin B and plus sin A dot sin B will cancel, and at the left hand side we have cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, and at the right hand side we have cos A dot cos B plus cos A dot cos B as x plus x equals to 2x. So we can write here 2 cos A dot cos B. So it's also formula 2 cos A dot cos B equals to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Similarly, when we subtract them, then this sign becomes minus, here minus, and here also becomes minus. So we can see cos A dot cos B plus and cos A dot cos B minus will cancelled, and at the left hand side we have cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. At the right hand side we have minus sin A dot sin B minus sin A dot sin B becomes minus 2 sin A dot sin B. Yes, because minus x equals to minus x minus x equals to minus 2x. So we see here we have a negative sign, right? Minus 2 sin A dot sin B. So if you want to make it positive, here you have to switch. Not switching, actually we have to exchange it, So here cos A minus B becomes at first, then minus cos A plus B comes at second, and this becomes 2 sin A dot sin B, right? Because as you know, B minus A, if we have, and if you want to make it as A minus B, then we have to take minus common, then it becomes A minus B. So here minus 2 sin A dot sin B, when it becomes plus 2 sin A dot sin B, then we can write cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So it's also formula, it's a very important formula, right? So we have already derived these 4 formulae which are used to change the product into sum or difference. Now if we let A plus B equals to C, and A minus B equals to D, and when you add them, then B and B will cancel, then we will have here 2A equals to C plus D, and from here value of A would be C plus D by 2. Likewise, when you put the value of A in A plus B equals to C, or if we subtract A minus B from A plus B, we can easily get the value of B as value of B equals to C minus D by 2, right? So When we replace the values of AB and A plus B as C and D, we can get some more four formulae, that is sine A plus B plus sine A minus B becomes sine C plus sine D equals to, at the left hand side we have here 2 sine, and A becomes C plus B by 2, C plus D by 2. Then cos A is B and B becomes C minus D by 2. So similarly, we can write 2 cos A dot cos B, 2 cos A dot cos B also, right? 2 cos A dot sin B minus 2 sin A dot sin B. We can get all the formulae, So we are going to write some more four formulae. So we have the formulae of sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D, cos C plus cos D, and we can write that cos C minus cos D also, right? So cos C minus cos D, we can see here cos C minus cos D. If we write, then we will have at the right hand side minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 dot sin C minus D by 2, right? So, but if you want to remove minus sign, then we have to change here C minus D to D minus C. So we can write here 2 sin C plus D by 2 dot sin D minus C by 2. Why? As you know, sin minus theta equals to minus sin theta. So if we have here sin D minus C, then it becomes negative minus C minus D, and both the negative sign becomes positive. So we can write sin C minus sin D equals to 2 sin C plus D by 2 dot sin D minus C by 2. So we are going to do some question that's from 1 number. Express each of the following as sum or difference form. See, in 1 number, we can just apply formula. So here A number 2 sin A dot sin B, B number 2 cos A dot sin B. So let's do one question. Let's do the question number E. And E, we have here 2 sin 5 theta dot cos theta. So we have here 2 sin 5 theta dot cos theta. So we just apply formula 2 sin A dot cos B. So here at the place of A we have 5 theta, and at the place of B we have 3 theta. So we can apply formula sin A plus B, that is 5 theta plus 3 theta. A plus B plus sin A minus B plus sin 5 theta minus 3 theta. And then we just we simplify, so sin 2 theta. So that's our answer. So similarly, you can do all the questions of the question number 1. So in B number, we see express as is product form. So we see we have here sum or difference form. So we are going to change them into product form. So we have to apply the formula of sin C plus sin D, or cos C plus cos D, or cos C minus cos D. So we are going to choose any one question from them. Let's choose the question number here. Any question you can choose. So we are going to choose the question number this G number, and we have the question here cos 40 degree minus sin 20 degree, right? So we see cos C minus sin D. We don't have this formula, so we have to change either cos to sin or sin to cos. So let's change here cos to sin, right? So here when we change cos to sin, then we have to remember one formula, that is cos 90 degree minus theta. Yes, you know that cos 90 degree minus theta, that is sin theta, right? So we have to subtract the angle from 90 degree, then cos changes into sin changes into cos, similarly tan into cot into tan. So here we are going to change cos, so we can write here sin 50 degree. Why 50 degree? Because 90 minus 40 equals to 50, and cos 90 degree minus theta equals to sin theta. Then we have here sin 50 degree minus sin 20 degree. Now we have sin 50 degree minus sin 20 degree, that's in the form of sin C minus sin D. So just we are going to apply formula sin C minus sin D equals to 2 cos 50 plus 20 by 2 right? Dot sine 50 minus 20 by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 dot sine c minus d by 2. And the simplification gives us 2 cos here 70 by 2. 50 plus 20, 70 by 2. That is 35. That is 35 into sine 50 minus 20 is 30. 30 by 2 equals to 15. 50 degree. So 2 cos 35 degree dot sine 50 degree is our answer. So we can easily change them from sum or difference into product form. When you see any question from the question number 3 here, from the question number 3, it's also very easy. Just we have to apply formula. So let's we see one question. Just we can see one question, that is question number B. You can see B number. So B number we have sine 75 minus sine 15. So in B number we can do like this here. B number sine 75 degree minus sine 15 degree. Just we can apply formula sine c minus sine d. So sine c minus sine d, we know that we have here sine c minus sine d, right? We have applied above. So we can write here 2 cos 75 plus 15 by 2 dot sine 75 minus 15 by 2. Yes, 2 cos c plus d by 2 dot sine c minus d by 2. And then we get here 2 cos. There's 75 plus 15 degree is, there's a 90. 90 by 2 is 45 degree. So we get here 45 degree dot sine 75 minus 15. Yes, we have to subtract it, right? And after the subtraction, you can get here 60 by 2. 60 by 2 equals to how much? 30 degree. Isn't it? 75 minus 15, we are going to subtract 30 degree. Now we know cos 45 degree is 1 by root 3, so we can write here 1 by root 2, and sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. So finally we can cut 2 and 2, and lastly we have the answer 1 by root 2. Just I like to remind you, we can do this question by another method also, that is by using the compound angle formula. The sine 75 degree can be written as sine, here sine 75 degree can be written as 45 plus 30, right? And 15 degree can be written as 45 degree minus 30 degree, right? Or 60 degree minus 45 degree also we can write. Then we can apply the formula sine a plus b, here sine a minus b, and sine 45, sine 30, cos 45, cos 30. Similarly, we can apply the formula, and of course the simplification will give us the correct answer. But according to this chapter, this is the best method, so I like to recommend you can use this formula only, this method only. If you want to have another part of this video, kindly like, subscribe and share in huge number. Thank you and have a nice time.